This 2017 K-Z Durango Gold G381REF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, auxiliary battery, slide-out, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, skylight, spare tire kit, awning, smoke detector, oven, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 K-Z Durango Gold G381REF is 12,120 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.